Factor the polynomial completely. X to the fourth minus 81. Notice that there's no greatest common factor to pull out to the front, but also notice that this is a difference of two terms that are both perfect squares. X to the fourth is x squared, quantity squared, and 81 is 9 squared. Now this difference of squares is going to factor as x squared plus 9 times x squared minus 9. Now we've done a good job so far, but don't stop now, okay? We still have a difference of squares with this second binomial. Up front we have a sum of squares which does not factor. So let's rewrite it, x squared plus 9. Now this x squared minus 9 is going to factor as x plus 3, x minus 3. So we have the completely factored form of x to the fourth minus 81. It is x squared plus 9 times x plus 3 times x minus 3.